a quick little video on my flower wall, little DIY. This is super easy. It's 8 by 4 feet and it's 2 inches thick. I was able to get all the flowers from the dollar store. I did spend about $300, so I suggest that you guys go on dollartree.com and buy them in bulk, and they can send them out to you. It's cheaper that way. Because I had so many flowers and I didn't have anything to do with the stems, I just wound up taking the stems and doing the same thing, sticking them in. I'm going to show you guys how to do that. But first, I just wanted to show you guys how tall it is. I love my flower wall. This is like a bookshelf it's covering in my apartment. So it's 8 feet tall. It's all there, y'all. But I use this for my reception. So stay tuned and I will show you guys a quick little video because it's so easy on how to achieve this. Okay? Quickly how you put your flowers into the flower wall. So the first thing that I suggest doing is, hold on, cutting the stems of the flowers that you get because they're gonna come longer. But you want to just cut them to about maybe an inch or 2. And you literally just, you see the holes already there, but I'm just going to stick it in. Done. But you don't want to do them side by side. You kind of want to do them one on top of the other so that you can get more of a complete, you see how it's complete? All right. One thing I can say about the board, guys, is if you decide to do this and you have a small car, it's not gonna work because I actually put this on top of my little tiny car and it broke in half. So I had to adhere it in the back with a hot glue gun and a piece of tape just to make sure it stayed together for my event. But because it's so tall, I had to okay, I just wanted to make sure it didn't fall. I had to like get it transferred in a big truck from the reception back to my apartment, and it was like crazy. Like you can't even put this in the elevator. It's so tall. You can't put it. You just gotta like, you gotta really have a mini U-Haul, or you gotta be that friend with the black truck. If you're the friend that we can depend on for the black truck, then that's who you call. If you know you about to go, you know some stuff about to go there, y'all need 20 people in the car at once, that's the person you call for the flower wall, y'all. For real. And that's what I did. I called my black truck shorty. Shout out to my girlfriend Fluff and my fairy godmother for helping me get this there because this was so stressful. But it's beautiful, guys. Even though I didn't sell it I didn't make it with the intent of selling it, I'll definitely be interested in selling it, but this is so time consuming that I would at least have to have like 7 days just to complete it and get the materials needed for it and getting it to my apartment and to whomever, you know, would be purchasing it. And then I would just put another one right here. See? And it feels so good, guys. Like, I love it. This is something I'm so proud of myself for doing. It was very time consuming, but your girl don't feel like it's anything that I can't do. Okay? See? And I'm short, so this is it. And there's still a whole other piece up here. Not too bad, right, guys? Let me know if this helps you guys at all. If necessary, if you guys feel like you need a more in-depth flower wall tip, feel free to comment below. And maybe I'll just take all the flowers out and start over for you guys. I don't know, whatever you guys need, just let me know, okay? Thanks for watching my chan. Thanks for watching. Make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to my channel. Thanks, Gem Gang. Hey guys, so I was able to add in a photo of before when I had to adhere it and after it was complete with this beautiful stuff. Look how beautiful that is. Thanks again for watching.